Learn about methods in C Sharp, which are reusable blocks of code that help organize and simplify your program. Discover how they make your code cleaner, more modular, and efficient. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what methods are, why they are useful, and how to define and call them in C Sharp. What is a method? A method is a reusable piece of code that performs a specific task. You define it once and call it whenever needed. Why use methods? Methods allow you to avoid repeating code by grouping related instructions together. Defining methods. To define a method, you specify its name, return type, and what it does inside curly braces. Calling methods. To use a method, you simply call it by its name followed by parentheses. Methods in practice. You can call methods multiple times, keeping your program organized and avoiding duplication. By learning about methods, you can now create reusable blocks of code that keep your programs modular and clean.